Hello students, let us continue with exercise 6.3 of chapter 6 lines and angles. So we are on the third question. These are very pretty simple sums. So here is the given figure. You have AB parallel to DE, measure of angle BAC is 35 degrees and angle CDE is equal to 53 degrees. You need to find the measure of angle DCE. So let's mark the angle that we need to find. We need to find measure of angle DCE. So let us see how we are going to find this out. Now first of all, you have AB parallel to DE, correct? Therefore, you see a Z forming here, that is angle A and angle E are alternate angles. Therefore, this angle too is going to be 35 degrees, correct? Now, if you take into consideration angle CDE, you have angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 180 degrees. We already found this, we have this and we have the sum of all these three angles which is 180 degrees. So yes, it is very simple to find this angle DCE. Let's proceed with the solution. So I'll say solution. AB is parallel to DE. Therefore, angle BAE is equal to angle AED, correct, which is equal to 35 degrees, correct, and I'll mark this as 1. And also I will mark my angle here as 35 degrees. Now in triangle CDE, angle CDE plus angle DEC, or let's say I have AED. Let's just make a small modification. I can write this as AED, I can write it as CED also. Therefore, angle CED is also equal to 35 degrees, correct? And I will mark this as 1. See, AED is the same as CED. Why I am taking CED is because I will be considering this triangle now and I will be needing this angle CED itself. So, in triangle CDE, I have angle CDE plus angle CED plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degrees through the angle sum property of my triangle or of any triangle, correct? Let's substitute the values for CDE, CED and let's find DEC. So CDE is 53 degrees plus CED is 35 degrees plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degrees. So I'll say from given and 1. Right? Let's add these. I get 88 degrees plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degrees, correct? Let's bring this out here so it becomes negative. Therefore, angle DCE is equal to 180 degrees minus 88 degrees, correct? So 180 minus 88 to 92 degrees, 8, 9, 10, yes. Therefore, angle DCE is equal to 92 degrees, which is my answer, right? Let's move on to question number 4. You have lines PQ and RS intersecting at point T. The measure of angles are given over here, where PRT is 40 degrees, RPT is 95 degrees and TSQ is equal to 75 degrees. We need to find angle SQT. So let us first mark the angle. We need to find measure of angle SQT. So how are we going to find the measure of this angle? So if you take into consideration the first triangle over here, that is angle PRT. Angle P plus angle R plus angle T is equal to 180 degrees. We've been given the sum as well as the measure of two angles, so therefore the third angle can be found. So I will get the measure of angle T over here. Now if you see angle PTR is equal to angle STR, Correct? Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So whatever angle you get here, you will get this angle also. So now, having found this angle STQ, we have this angle and this angle. Can we find the measure of this angle? Yes. How? Through the angle sum property of a triangle. Let's proceed with the solution. So I'll say solution in triangle PRT, angle PRT plus angle RPT plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degrees. Let's substitute the values. PRT is 40 degrees, this is 95 degrees, plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degrees. Here I am going to write angle sum property of triangle. Correct? Let's add this up. So what do I get? 135 degrees plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, what do I get my angle PTR is? Angle PTR is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. So this is going to be equal to 45 degrees. Correct? This is my angle PTR. But angle PTR is equal to which angle? QTS. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Correct? Therefore, angle QTS is equal to 45 degrees. I'll mark this, let's say 1. So I'll say from 1 and 2. Make sense? So now having found this angle QTS, let's mark it. Over here you have 45 degrees and you have 45 degrees. We need to find the measure of angle SQT. Let's proceed, taking into consideration angle TSQ. So now in triangle TSQ, what do we have? Angle SQT plus angle QTS. So we've written SQT, QTS and TSQ is equal to 180 degrees through the angle sum property of triangle. Let's substitute the values. SQT is how much? We need to find this, so I'll write it as it is. Angle SQT plus angle QTS is 45 degrees. So this, I'll mark this statement as 3. 45 degrees plus angle TSQ. TSQ is given to be 75 degrees. So 75 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Correct? Let's add the terms on the left hand side. I get SQT plus 45 plus 75. So this would be 45 and 75, 9, 10, 11, 12, 120 degrees. So 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, what do I get SQT as? Angle SQT is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Therefore, my angle SQT is equal to 60 degrees. So this is my answer, angle SQT. So this was about question numbers 3 and 4. Let's complete the remaining questions in the next class. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.